बात करना ज़रा मुश्किल है for obvious reasons. तो ये साइंस बहुत ज़रूरी है.
I'm going to talk about some priceless boo-boos I made while shooting this film. The first big one was when we were shooting the scene of the three boys going to learn how to dive, where they meet Leila at the rock pool. We were shooting this at a public rock pool in Costa Brava, which is 2 hours out of Barcelona. As it's a public pool, they shut it down for us, and we had it from morning till 5 p.m. So it was imperative that we get all our work done in that period of time. As you can see with the location, it's not very easy to maneuver when you're carrying equipment going up and down. So we had to be a little careful and account for that. We had 2 cameras. We had a lot to shoot. It was, from what I remember, 30 shots that day. We were very planned and charged, and we got in there and we started shooting on time. And there were lots of setups. We had the boys meeting Leila, then Leila talking to them and giving them a brief on the signage that can be used underwater, then them getting into gear, and then them getting in. The most important part of the scene was Arjun's fear of water, the character Hrithik plays, and him overcoming that first step and actually taking the plunge and going into the water. That made a little easier for him because of Leila. So we shot everything, and on the way back home in the car, I was just going through the edit in my head with, eyes shut, and suddenly my heart just came out of my mouth. I was so panicked because I realized I hadn't taken Hrithik's close-up. I couldn't get in touch with the script supervisor. I called him and I was like, did I shoot your close-up? And he started laughing and he's like, what do you mean? And I was like, I need to know. I mean, an actor always knows if you shoot their close-up. I was like, did I shoot your close-up? And he was like, actually, I thought about it and I was wondering why you're not, but then you had 2 cameras. So I figured you're covering it. So I didn't bother to ask you because I thought you knew what you're doing. I was like, clearly not, because I forgot your close-up. And he was like, what do you need? And I was like, I don't have the shot where Katrina looks at you and puts a hand out and you're nervous to get in and then you take a hand and step in. And he was like, okay, so we'll shoot it somewhere. And luckily, we needed only sky. So we realized we didn't have it. We started taking the wetsuit with us every day to set. It was in the wardrobe truck every day. And we would try and get that shot. And eventually, it was shot in Egypt on our last schedule of the film. And when we actually went to shoot the real diving in Sharm el Sheikh. So the whole scene is shot in Costa Brava, and that pickup against the sky, that's an Egyptian sky. When you are shooting a montage sequence, you are shooting shots in various locations and at various times of day. And there's always that 1 or 2 pickup shots that just keep rolling through the schedule. You never seem to be able to fit that in. When we were shooting the opening song sequence, the title sequence of Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, it covered the 3 boys from their places, from their residences, getting to Barcelona. So obviously there were various things to be covered in various places. There was this one pickup, which was Imran's character in a cab from the airport to the hotel, and him looking outside and seeing like the sights in Barcelona. This close-up of his just went on, and we never seemed to get it. Finally, we were shooting the skydiving in Empuria Brava, and my first AD was like, listen, we have an empty road. It's a really good road here. There's a massive runway. We can take that pickup. I said, great. It was scheduled for that. The cab was got. The extra camera was got. Everything was there. And I remember I was shooting Hrithik landing from his skydive, and we were just going over and the sun was setting, and luckily for me, Imran's a director, so I told Farhan, please shoot your own shot, and he was like, thanks. And so he set it up, he framed it, he had a monitor in his lap, and he took his own close-up, and then he came and showed it to me, and I was like, it's perfect. And I was like, thank God I have a director here to help me out. So yeah, so that's a shot he took himself. He shot himself. Coming to Katrina's close-up, Katrina is really good with action. I mean, she learned how to dive, that she'd never done it before. She was amazing underwater. She learned how to ride a bike in a day. So this is the scene where she has to get on the bike and chase the boys down and stop them before she kisses Arjun. And this was it was a tough day because we wanted the car to pass certain locations and then see the bike passing the same location. So it was tedious. We got all our wide shots with her riding, and they were great. And we didn't have the time for her close-ups. So of course they have been picked up. Her close-ups on the bike, some of them have been picked up in Film City in Mumbai. I mean, luckily for me, I have a great DP and a great grader, so they look seamless, but that's the truth. The running of the bulls is possibly the craziest thing I've ever shot. We took all our big wides at the real run, at the Pamplona Bull Run. And then after it was over, they gave us the location, the actual location to set up our own sequence. So we shot that with bulls and professional runners and extras and 5 cameras, and it was insanity. I had really sporting actors. I had great, action directors from there. So it was all very safe and it went well. But of course, as always, we run out of time. Eventually we got everything. We got all the shots. Abhay, by the way, he's like a bullet. He's that fast. So we had to keep telling him, Abhay, you need to slow down. You're running too fast. His close-ups we picked up in Barcelona. The final shot of him when it goes into high speed and him running, that was taken in Barcelona because we lost time in Pamplona.